You're such a handsome boy, Drake. You are just so handsome. You know that? So what have you been doing today? Hmm? Just chilling, eating, licking, scratching, biting, running, sleeping. What else do you do? You know, your cats are very, very demanding. You're just so demanding. Why? Why are cats so demanding, Drakey? Can you tell me? Can you tell me why? Look at that cute little face. You're such a cute little boy, though. Yes, you are. You're mommy's cute little boy. Hmm? Do you know you're cute? Do you think I'm sexy? Do you think I'm sexy? I'm let you know. Hey, Drake, look at mommy. Drake. 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 Drake.